Algorand is on fire, and if you are one of the few smart investors who already bought Algorand, well then allow me to congratulate you, because you can now participate in the race to space. Besides the fact that Algo consumes substantially less energy than the majority of its peers, Algorand is secure, fast, and multifunctional, being capable of hosting DApps and a wide array of different digital assets. But the latest news are really going to blow off your mind. Algorand was selected to power the first national digital currency known as the SOV, which will circulate alongside the US dollar and help the Marshall Islands efficiently operate in the global economy. From my point of view, this kind of news that Algorand is now launching its first CBDC project, well, I think that explains everything and why Algorand has really been mooning. But before we start, I want to welcome you to Crypto Never Sleeps. In case you're new to this channel, well, let me tell you something. I don't always look like this, but I got a bad case of Bell's palsy. Nevertheless, I hope you want to hit like, smash, subscribe, because we do upload great videos so that you can protect your wealth, preserve your wealth, and ultimately also increase your wealth. My name is Nico Arachi, and I'm the host of this little show.
Be strong.
Now in this video, I want to go over 3 different parts. I'm going to introduce you briefly to what Algorand is. In case you know, well then please just use the timestamp and move on. Second, I want to keep you up to date with the most recent news. And third and final, we're going to go and look at some future price predictions. Algorand seems to be a complete package. You see, some Bitcoin alternatives came out to address the carbon footprint issues by introducing proof-of-stake algorithm, but their solutions sacrifice decentralization. Algorand has taken this algorithm to the next level. The blockchain, which was founded by Silvio Michael, is a professor of computer science, used the pure proof-of-stake (PPOS), which is a protocol that enables Algorand to address the so-called blockchain trilemma, in which none of the 3 key elements of an ideal blockchain, which are scalability, security, and decentralizations, cannot be compromised. On top of that, PPOS is carbon neutral because it doesn't rely on massive electricity consumption needs, unlike the proof of work. Furthermore, in Algorand, the power is in the hands of the users holding stake, giving back power to the people. Every user receives an amount of rewards proportional to their stake for every block that is committed to the chain. It was one of the first large-cap crypto projects to provide staking capabilities to holders. Requires, however, users to simply hold a minimum quantity of the token ALGO on their supported wallets to reap staking rewards. However, a recurrent community criticism was that of the closed source nature of its official wallet. You see, the official Algorand wallet code base has been open source, and it is now publicly available since 16 June 2021. Open source is a form of software distribution where the source code is publicly available to anyone, and programmers can read or change that code if they desire. Not only is Algorand already on its first CBDC, but Algorand is also bringing liquidity to the NFT market with fractional NFTs. And I actually believe that currently the only space we're really seeing a use case and a utility is within the NFT space. Algorand supports the creation of fractional NFTs, so now you can buy fractions of NFTs representing valuable objects. This ensures much more diversification for investors and more convenience for NFT creators, investors as well. Developers also can tokenize digital and physical goods through Algorand Standard Assets, ASA, which is a functionality that not every blockchain provides. This allows for the creation of digital assets in Algorand's Layer 1 blockchain. Now, ASA supports both fungible and non-fungible tokens, which enables the creation of fractional NFTs. So you can use Algorand to build an NFT and then divide it into as many small number of pieces or parts that are represented by fungible assets. But before we move on to the future price predictions, let's go in and have a look at the current price. Algorand is currently trading at $1.93. It is, however, down 17%. Today is not the best day for the market. But look at this. Algorand is on 271 different watch lists. It has currently a market cap of 10 billion. And look at the price chart. Now, I know it looks a lot right there, but just look at it. This started back in 2019 and then basically went down, and now has actually gone through its previous all-time high. And look at that, it is still all-time high. Well, it's down 31%, but that was in 2019, which is 2 years ago. I currently believe that, Algorand is truly on track to keep going. What a beautiful story. Now let's get into the first price prediction of the day. And just remember, these are not my price predictions. We have found various platforms that are quite consistent in the projections, and then we share them with you. The first one comes from tradingbeast.com, and they're basing their future price prediction on an in-house algorithm. And they believe Algorand will indeed be a profitable investment. And they're seeing a high in 2021 of $2.66. $2.69, remember, I love the 69 in 2022. 266 again. I mean, Trading Beast, they believe, let's say, Algorand really has been on fire, but they don't see so much more upturn. So you know what we do with Trading Beast? We send them all the way back to Portugal. The next one, digitalcoin.com, and they're basing their in-house or their future price prediction on an in-house algorithm, and they believe we're going to see $3.71 in high in 2021. I like that better. 2022, a high of $4.41. 2023, a high of $5.14. $6.24 in 2024, and in 2025, they believe we can see a high of $7.72. The last one comes from Cryptocurrency Price Prediction, and I like them because they are basing their in-house future price prediction on a fundamental analysis. And I think that this is what this industry needs. We don't need no backtesting based on technical analysis, because it's all about the fundamentals. It's all about mass adoption. It's all about being the chosen chain for a CBDC. Congratulations truly to Algorand. So they're seeing a high in 2021 of $2.99, high in 2022 of $5.23, $5.32 in 2023, and a high in 2025 of $19.14. And who doesn't like $53.90 of an high in 2030? So that has actually taken me to the end of this video. But before we end, I just want to share a few little thoughts with you. I do believe that the overall market is poised to take a hit. Maybe it's called a healthy correction, I don't know, but I do believe it will take some time until the entire infrastructure of the Web 3.0 is ready. Only when the Web 3.0 is really ready, that's when we can actually see the transition from traditional to digital taking place. Having said that, I truly believe that Algorand is armed with unmatched technology, good leaders, robust developers, and the resources, as well as a very clear vision for long-term sustainability and capabilities to help its community and, what I like the most, central banks around the world. We can help them plan, test, and adopt blockchain in order to thrive and participate in a new digital economy, and certainly also help mass adoption move on a bit faster. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. In case you did, well, then you know what to do. You gotta go and hit like, smash, subscribe, and why not hit that notification bell as well? Because whenever a flash crash appears, I'm here. And when a flash crash appears, you can get those lovely tokens for 10-20% cheaper. Anyway, my name is Nico Arachi. Happy you were here, and so was Kitty.